Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,